Hey guys, I'm Evan. I like bikes, and I'm back again with another bike check for you. Today, I have my 24-inch S&M ATF. Check it out. Starting up top, S&M Hoder grips, Odyssey bar ends, Tech 77 lever, S&M race bars, 7.5-inch rise, got an OEM fit stem. Moving down, S&M pitchforks, hanging on to the Profile Racing Elite hub, laced to a Sun Envy in the chrome, keeping it mid-school. This is a 21 3/4 S&M ATF frame, 24-inch wheel. It's good on the track, it's good on the trails, it's good in the park, really well balanced. S&M brown leather stem, S&M Long Johnson post, Demolition bottom bracket, Demolition cranks, and a quad saw 32-tooth sprocket made in Maine. BSD Forever chain, Odyssey Evo brakes, rear wheel Profile Elite 10-tooth titanium driver. Sound clip for everybody that loves it. .3210 gearing. It's tall, it's fast, I like it. We got the S&M track mark in the back, 2.1, and a Haro MS5, 2.3 up front. Lots of grip. Thanks for watching, guys.